Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video, and in this short tutorial video I'll be showing you how to buy the HONK Meme Coin. It's easy to get this done. Make sure you open up your coinmarketcap.com. That is on your browser. Once you've opened up coinmarketcap.com, link in description of the video, simply scroll down and copy the contract address, which is a Solana contract address for the token. Once it's copied, minimize and open up a wallet of your choice. The wallet in question is a wallet that supports the Solana network and its transactions. For this tutorial video, I'll be working with the Phantom wallet, so make sure you open up your Phantom wallet. Now, with the Phantom wallet opened up, make sure you have some Solana on your wallet to perform the transaction. Make sure you have up to or more than $1 worth of Solana so the transaction can go through. So guys, you've got $1 worth of Solana. Your next step would be to head over to the browser section at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once there, select the Jupiter DeFi. That is one of the trending decentralized exchanges. So select Jupiter DeFi and log on to jup.org. Okay guys, and once you're on the platform, simply click on Connect Wallet, select Phantom Wallet, and connect your wallet to the platform. Once it's connected, switch their places, so we're swapping Solana into some tokens. So where we have the receive, click on USDC and paste the token we just copied. So once you've pasted the contract address, select the HONK token, confirm this selection, and enter the amount of Solana you wish to swap, and simply click on swap. By doing this, you get to swap your Solana tokens into the HONK token. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can buy the HONK meme coin, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.